Okay, nothing like fresh pasties up here in the UP, and I'm stopping here in Munising, Michigan at a place called Muldoon Fresh Pasties. And on the other side, they have a little note on there, and it was voted #1 in the UP, so we will find out. It actually looks like a little house. Okay. And past the shop right here. This is what they're a little bit of history on them. Actually, the miners. This is a popular miner food because it was easy to eat. And it looks like that is the type of pasties you can get. You have the traditional chicken, veggie, as ground beef, potatoes, onions, carrots, and rutabaga.
Thank you very much.
So this looks like a good place to stop.
It's a great place to stop.
I know. I'm just a YouTuber, and I'm just getting this wonderful place down because it said #1 in the UP.
Yes,
So it is.
In my
I'll
book.
get into this.
Yeah, and then we have chicken, veggie, and we're doing apple, cherry, or pumpkin pie today.
Okay, great. Well, I'll take one of those traditional ones.
Okay. Do you want gravy on the side for chicken?
Yeah, why not? Put gravy on the side.
Got it.
And chicken.
Do you want gravy? Do you want gravy for yours?
I'll take a traditional.
Traditional.
And do you want gravy also?
Yes, please.
All right. So you get them all right there.
Yep.
Wow.
Do you need plates, forks, and napkins?
Yes,
Are you
please.
eating them outside? Or-
Yeah, let me see them
Okay.
outside. Yep. So right here, they're all packaged up. And this is the chicken, and then the two traditional right here, and they give you a little bit of gravy. And they're about £1 a piece. And again, pasties were very popular with the miners because they're easy to eat and carry. And when they had a lunch break, they just popped them out and started eating them. There's no hassle of putting anything together. This is what it looks like right there. It's got that dough on the outside. Inside, the traditional, it's got meat, potatoes, rutabaga, carrots, and beef. And the other one is chicken, and you can put a little bit of gravy in it. This is what it looks like in the middle right there. See how you can see the meat, the potatoes, and also the rutabaga. And you see how they make the pastry shell. And this is very similar to a empanada in the Philippines, except a bigger model of it, to say. This is a chicken one. Chicken, and then beef. And then you got the gravy. Or you can use ketchup. There it goes. Right there. See this?